One thing I know for sure, guys, these are not people from California. They are from the beach cities. Something's different in their blood. Those are children out there. I'm just being shown up by children hiking upstream in 21 degrees. Gotta load up for the trip. Good morning, everyone. We are just outside of Zion National Park and we're getting ready to go for a little journey. We're gonna go for some hikes today. Are you still waking up, baby?
It's 21 degrees outside.
Oh no.
So we're trying to figure out what 21 should feel like. So we got 6 bundles on.
Yeah, I am wearing 2 sweaters that do not match. And I'm gonna throw a coat on over the top and a couple pairs of socks and hope for the best.
We gotta go find some coffee.
Wish me luck. Wish us luck. Hopefully we make it back out. It's this way, right?
And she's allergic to foam, so you could just scoop a little foam off.
I'm not allergic. I just don't like it.
I know, it was a joke.
Guys, we found a coffee shop. We're saved.
Yes, it's gonna be okay, guys.
We're gonna make it.
It's gonna be okay.
Both warm and caffeine, and we need both this morning. It was a long drive yesterday, so thankfully we had a little hotel coffee to start, and now we're gonna go for the main course.
Real coffee. Yep.
With almond milk. Praise the Lord.
Yes.
We're just fueling up for the day, and we got coffee. So, because we love lattes, and we're from LA, and I don't drink cow's milk, so it would be a very bad thing for my body if I drank cow's milk. So that's a big relief, and hopefully it kind of keeps our hands warm. I don't know, guys. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, because this girl don't do well in the cold, but you could tell I've got quite a significant layering system going on here, so hopefully I'm okay.
Oh my gosh, going into the park.
Woo! We are all bundled up. I'm so excited. Honestly, the drive-in is just epic. It's like different rock structures, and I don't know what to call them, to be honest, like peaks or whatever, but there's just
cathedrals, you know?
Yeah, it's so different, and every time you turn the corner there's like a new really cool rock face to look at.
And we're not even in the park yet. Maybe we are. I don't think we are. We didn't pay yet, so we're not in the park.
I mean,
and it seems like we're right in the middle of everything. This is really, really something.
It's striking though how like deserted it is. This would be a really hard place to live. You literally feel like you're just in rocks. They have rocks as the feature in their front house, like in front of their house, like big boulders and rocks everywhere.
It's like refreshing to the soul, though. It really is. You look at it and you're like, wow. You can take a breath of fresh air, just to the inside of your body. It's so cool,
It is really refreshing.
Because it's hard to conceive creating or making or understanding the beauty, I think that's really the cool thing about this kind of park.
And we were just talking too about how like this is so rare to find a country that has such diversity. Like here we are, we live by the ocean, and here we are in it could have been a different world. It looks like Mars, you know what I mean? Could have been a completely different country, but how fortunate we are in America out there and explore more.
So we woke up, it was actually 39 where we were at.
Yeah.
And now it's 21.
Oh, geez.
So, much colder in here, but it's much prettier.
It is much prettier for the moment. It's warm in the car, but we're gonna face the frigid temperatures pretty soon here. Hopefully I survive.
We've been talking about coming here for several years now.
Yeah.
So, we're here.
We finally made it.
You guys, and we can't wait to show you.
Yeah.
Shuttle on the way to Angel's Landing. Is that where we're going?
No, we're not gonna go to Angel's Landing.
We're not going to Angel's Landing
We're going
today.
We're
We're gonna go to the end. It's gonna be good.
Hey guys, we are at stop number 9. Hey guys, we are at the last shuttle stop number 9, Sinawawa's Temple. And we are going to walk alongside the river. It is 21 degrees and I'm doing my best to keep warm. But we are having a great time, guys. It's so beautiful here. Okay, so it's 9:05. We are walking in a riverbed. The snow hasn't all melted, so look at that. What the heck?
So, this is cold.
You can't see it, but there's ice all around.
Is there?
Right here.
Oh, on that side. Well, I guess this is refreshing in a way. It's really refreshing in a way, but hey, there's stairs right there.
It's a very refreshing morning.
Yeah.
Wow, you're right.
That's fun. Where in the heck does it go?
We're entering into Helm's Deep.
This is the south side is where the Shire is. The north side is where Mordor is.
Notice how warm the Shire was. This is a desolate land. Can an LA girl survive temperatures at 21 degrees? We'll find out.
Proceed to actually go through the water. In the corner there, and they keep
You can
going.
actually see them. There's some hiking right now through the water to a place called the Narrows. And that's the really difficult hike. We took the paved one.
Yes, it's the safe version, but grab fun, and lots of people are ready to go through the water. Everything's cold. Everything's cold.
That's crazy. What do you think, babe? Do you think we should go down the Narrows?
I think we'll save the Narrows for the other people.
Yeah. I think we're good. I think we're cold enough. One thing I know for sure, guys, these are not people from California. They are from the beach cities. Something's different in their blood. Those are children out there. I'm just being shown up by children hiking up street in 21 degrees. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm not doing it. I'm feeling very humbled here. Very, very humbled as the children walk through the frigid ice cold water. And I'm gonna go back to the shuttle.
Okay guys, we just identified a people group that we didn't have any experience of.
And we're trying
before.
not to be prejudiced or judge or
No,
stereotype.
not at all.
But
We didn't know they existed, and it's incredible.
every one of them is wearing a green vest.
Yeah, it's got to be like a onesie that starts from the feet, like a foot onesie all the way up, like overalls. And then they have boots on, and they're all in uniform.
And they all carry big sticks, which we thought might be for violence, and then we found out.
No, it's like river walking.
It's to keep you steady in the water.
Yeah, and so we're like one of the only ones that we see out here with cameras.
Yeah.
And everybody else has sticks. And these guys are like full on in a mission to go trudge through the river.
They look intense.
What do you think the river temperature is?
I honestly don't want to guess.
It's got to be 10 degrees. I don't know.
Frigid.
No idea. If it's 21 here, it's got to be 10. And there are a bunch of them. And it's like impressive. It's
Yeah.
really impressive.
I am very impressed
That's
by
the
them.
whole reason they came out here, was to hang out in the river.
That's what they call extra hardy folks.
Yeah, thick skin.
Not me. Let's go. Back to the shuttle.
Guys, I was having a little revelation moment here. Sometimes you feel like you're in the valley, but just remember, the valley is beautiful if you realize that you're going through it and that there's people with onesies on. Matching onesies in the valley. So just look up and keep going through. Those guys stopped for snack time, which is great. You always got to do snack time.
Feed the squirrels. I can't even find the friggin' squirrels. There's nothing out here. We're the only mammals around. No one wants to do this.
Wow,
That was cold, but it was amazing.
that was really fun. So we're on the bus waiting to go back to the lodge. And we just finished the loop. Was it like 1 mile?
The river walk, yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't too far.
Guys, it is beautiful here. It's like really breathtaking, and it's really kind of humbling. Not just to see the amazing views and nature and life, but also almost equally as humbling to see the children walking up the river
Yeah.
in the cold water.
Well, everybody, maybe half the people on this stop were heading right to the river. It's really fascinating to see. That's like, this is what they plan to do all day, is to trudge through 10-degree weather. Our toes are cold
Yeah.
and our hands are warming up.
So we're gonna go get something warm to drink at the lodge.
Hey guys, we are at the lodge.
Yeah.
So there's actually a park lodge inside, so you can stay here if you want. And you get a permit for your car. And there's a little gift shop over there, a little restaurant. It's only takeout, but
But look what I got, hand warmers.
we got hand warmers.
Hallelujah.
We actually should have stopped
Yes.
here and got the hand warmers for Ellen.
First.
She's like 6 degrees cooler than I am. Okay, you guys, support the locals. So we got some local breakfast,
Breakfast
vegan
champions.
cookies. This is our breakfast. So fun. But look at this view.
So we just stopped at the gift shop. Fun fact, my sister just had a son and named him Zion. So we got a bunch of, let's just say personalized things, but we can't show you because my sister is also our editor and that would ruin the surprise. So we got here at 8 o'clock. There was no line. So I know. Now, mind you, only 33 people are allowed on each tram right now due to restrictions.
This is like Disneyland, except for it's in Utah. Be prepared to wait in line.
Driving through the mountain.
We made it through. Wow. What a different sight on the other side.
Wow.
That
What a
was
fun day in
amazing.
Zion. We just wanted to show you this. It just keeps going on forever.
So the trip was amazing. A couple of tips: if you're there during peak times, you need to buy the shuttle ticket in advance. Don't forget that. Really, really important. Number 2, get there as early as you can. I mean, if you don't want to spend half your day waiting in a line to just take the shuttle in, you got to get there early. I know it's early, you're tired. I also know that it's cold in the morning. I experienced it, but it was 100% worth it. Once we got in, we had the park to ourselves. We were the first ones there. 100% worth it. And I would totally do that again the same way, because you don't want to go somewhere and then waste half of your time waiting in line to get in. Like, it just doesn't
Totally.
make sense. Now, there are trails that you don't have to take the shuttle to. So we drove around. There's like an overlook pass. There's a fun tunnel you go through. It was built in 1930, which is really cool. But overall, amazing time. Just make sure you're prepared. Make sure that you set your plan and you get there early. That's really the best way to take advantage of everything that's there.
And the way I like to prepare for our road trips is you make sure that the gas tank's full
That's right.
and you got food, you know, some snacks and stuff. Super fun, guys. Check out Zion and Bryce Canyon if you have a chance.
All right, guys, we stopped for lunch at the grocery store because all the places are closed due to the current world situations. You know you're in the right place when you have kayaks for sale in the grocery store. Not only that, they are $20 off, probably because it's winter.